Forgot all of that stuff. So go that way. What's up, my bougie peeps? It's your girl J Bougie, and I'm back with a new segment. This is my first makeup tutorial. If you haven't yet, click that red button below and subscribe to your girl. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. So I'm starting off using my Survey moisturizing cream. I already cleaned my face, so my skin usually dries out after cleansing it. So I'm going to just moisturize it up and rub it in. So I'm going to be using my Anastasia brows brush and a Dipbrow. I can't remember which color this one is. I believe it's Ebony. But I'm going to use my brush, the angle part, and dip it and, you know, just spread it out to thin it out on my brush with the back of my hand. Next, I'm going to use the bristle part to brush my hair in place. Then I'm going to use the angle part and start about an inch back from my eyebrow and start to shaping up my eyebrows. Whatever you do, you want to make sure you do not start the very front top part of your eyebrow. You want to leave some space because then it'll look like you drew it on with a marker. In between, you want to make sure you keep using the bristle to spread the dip out so it doesn't look so heavy. And if one of your eyebrows look like it's more arched than the other, or you have too much, don't worry about it. We're going to go back and clean it up. Next, you want to take a little bit on your brush and just go on real lightly. If you're heavy-handed, you want to do it as light as possible and just fill in the front of your eyebrow. And please don't forget to blend the front of your eyebrows throughout your eyebrows. Blending is very important. Now I'm going to get some Pro.Concealer and I'm going to use the Cool Tint and blend in the underneath my eyebrow. I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up. This is going to help sharpen your eyebrows up. And don't forget to do the top a little bit. If you want to use another one for the tops, you can do that as well. Now I'm going to get my angle brush and go ahead and go real close up to my eyebrow and start to blend the Pro.Concealer down. Whatever you do, you want to try to not to get the concealer inside your eyebrow. But if you do, just grab a bristle brush, the end, and just brush it out. But I'm just going to blend it all down.
Curious butterflies.
You mean bread butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Now I'm going to get my Morphe palette and I'm going to go ahead and blend in this light brown on the outside of my eyelid and just, you know, define the eyelid part. I don't know how to say it. And then I'm going to go in with a butter color. It's like a buttercream, soft light color. And then I'm going to go back on this same section with the dark color. If you guys just stay tuned and just watch. I'm not sure the name of this palette. It was a gift. And I use it not so often as much. make sure you guys blend, blend, blend. Again, it's really important to blend the colors in. So right now I really have about 3 different colors on my eyes. The lighter color I usually pat on and then start to blend it in. All the steps you did for this eye, you're going to repeat for the next eye.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course. Hmm?
Next, I'm going to use my eyeliner. This eyeliner I grabbed at Sally's. I'm just going to put a small line closer to my eyelashes as possible. You can put your eyelashes first on and then put the eyeliner, or you can go ahead and put the eyeliner on. Usually I put eyeliner on first and then my lashes and then put some more eyeliner on because the glue sometimes tend to take away. And if you like, you can go ahead and outline the bottom of your eye. It helps give it a little shape. I do it. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I love doing it. Next, I'm going to use Jasmine Brown lashes I picked up at Target. I love these lashes. I'm going to use these lash tweezer tool things. I don't know what to call them, but they work really great getting lashes on. You got to take your time. You might not get it the first time, but you will the second. Then I'm going in with this mascara just to help give it a little definition. Now I'm going to go in with a couple of different concealers that matches my skin. The first one I like to do is go ahead and outline the highlighted parts of my face with this mascara. I'm running out right now, so it's a little struggle, but I'm gonna make it work. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in with one of my brushes. Also put on another concealer, which I'm gonna blend all throughout my face, outside my outliner, and blend that as well. Everyone has their own blending method. Use and do what works for you. Now I'm going to go in with another lighter concealer and go back and get those highlighter parts again to just bring them out more. You can do this, you don't have to. I like to make my skin tone look as natural as possible, not like I jumped out of casket or just off color. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat these steps real quick with this brighter tones and a little color to my face. And I'm also going to use another brush to help blend it in.
Oh, yes, of course. Hmm?
Now I'm going to go back in with my angle eyebrow brush. I'm going to go ahead and blend that concealer that I left up there to help finish shaping up my eyebrows and clean the last bit of my eyebrows up above. And you're just going to go ahead and keep blending it. That's all I'm doing. Next, I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Neferiti, the Nubian loose highlighter. I love this stuff. I'm saying it now because this was my first time trying in this video. And ever since I have been learning how to use it better and more. I'm going to also use this brush that I got from Ulta Beauty. It has a highlighter in and a contour in. I'm going to be using the highlighter in. And I definitely didn't put too much on and blend it as much. I was too nervous using it. But I got so much better now using it. But I love it. I call it my fairy dust because it's just so sparkly and beautiful. Next, I'm going in with this MAC blush. I love it. It helps keep my cheeks a little small rosiness to it. I'm also going to go back and blend in that highlighter, so don't mind. I know it's not blended right now, but it will be. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab a makeup wipe and wipe all this makeup off my lips. Now I'm going to grab my Ben Nye lip liner and I'm going to go ahead and start outlining my lips with it. I believe it's a plum color. I'm not sure. I will have everything below in the description box once I go back and look at the product. But yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and just color it in as close as possible to the center of my lips, but not 100% my whole lips. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC lipstick. It's a lighter color, and I'm going to go ahead and just kind of smudge it in the middle. My son kind of messed up my lipstick playing in it one day. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just move it around and start blending it in until it has that color that I want.
Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course. Hmm?
So yeah, guys, that is it. Make sure you put some finish on. I did finish off with some Morphe finisher. But yeah, I'm glad you guys enjoyed and tuned into my first makeup tutorial. I hope to see you guys back again. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to your girl.